You don't need a fancy camera, mic, and lighting to make a good video. All you need is your phone. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video with me, Alyssa J. In this video, I will be teaching you how to film slime Instagram videos on your phone. I've been posting slime Instagram videos on my account at Crafty Slime Creator since August of 2016, and I've been able to grow my audience from 0 to 800,000 followers in those 2 years, and I've done that just using my phone. So this video is broken down into 5 different parts: phone, audio, lighting, table, and tripod. Without further ado, let's jump into it. Number 1, phone. For all of my Instagram videos so far, I've used my iPhone 6s. A useful tip I have is to lock exposure so the lighting doesn't change in your videos. To do this, put your slime in the frame, and I usually have one of my hands in there. Then tap the screen like you're going to focus on an area. Instead of releasing it, hold down until the focus square flickers. When you lift your finger, you can see an AE/AF lock pop up on the screen. Then you can raise or lower the exposure to get the perfect lighting. I find that very useful to make sure that there isn't random lighting flares or anything like that, and the lighting stays consistent throughout the whole entire video. Number 2, audio. I usually use the iPhone's built-in microphone because that works very well for me, but you can totally use something else if you want to. If you want higher quality, you could use headphones with a microphone on them, or you could buy one of these mics from Amazon for a couple of bucks. I have all of these, but I still use my iPhone's built-in mic because it is just so convenient. Number 3, lighting. Lighting is pretty simple. I recommend using natural lighting, and it works perfectly if you have a table in front of a window. Before I continue, make sure you comment down below what you use to film slime videos and any helpful tips you might have for others. If you are enjoying this video, make sure you like this video and share it with your friends. Now on to the next section. Number 4, table. I would recommend using a plain, clean surface. I don't recommend using a background that stands out too much because that can take away from the slime that you're playing with, and you really want to focus on the slime. My table is a simple white table from IKEA, and I use that so the slime can really pop and stand out against the plain background. A lot of other slimers use a slab of marble or glass, but whatever you use, make sure that slime does not stick to it. Number 5, tripod. You can find really inexpensive ones at Amazon and Walmart. If it doesn't come with a little holder for your phone, you can easily unscrew one off of a cheap selfie stick and put that onto your phone, or you can buy the attachment from Amazon, and I'll have some links down below for different options. And that is my current setup for filming Instagram slime videos. My phone, table, lighting, tripod, and audio. Next week in my Instagram how-to series, I'm going to be teaching you how to increase engagement and followers on your slime Instagram account. So make sure you subscribe and click the bell to be notified when that goes up next Monday at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And don't forget, if you want to learn how to make awesome slime, my book, Ultimate Slime, is available in stores and online right now. The link will be down below. It has tons and tons of awesome recipes for you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Keep creating, and I will see you all next time. Bye!